This video is specially for all those lazy students out there who thought that ICI will postpone the exam and we have good amount of time to study. But no, ICI is always there to give you a shock, and exams have not been postponed. The exams are in May and you're left with just 15 days. So what do you do in those 15 days? How do you make the most out of it? That's what I'm going to be covering in this video. And since you have only 15 days left, I'm not going to be taking a lot of your time. But guys, please stay tuned till the end because these are tips what I have used to clear my CA in my very first attempt. I'm Megha Bansali, CA and the ACCA. So, quickly understanding how you can plan your last 15 days before the examination. Now, if you are doing CA Inter or CA Final, you can use these tips for both of them. What I did when I had my examination was typically I distributed these days to all the subjects. Now let's break down what the strategy should be for different level of students. So someone who's finished preparation, someone whose preparation is still pending, someone who's writing both the groups and one group. So that's how we can break this down. So if you're someone who is writing both the groups and has kind of finished at least 90-95% of the entire both the groups, then what your strategy for last 15 days should be. Now we have 6 papers, so I would take 12 days divided by 6, so 2 days you should give for each of your paper, and please revise. Please do not pick up anything new and try and revise all the topics, all the subjects. Reason being, you do not want to be in a very lost state of mind before your examination. So if you've read it 15 days before, some topic, some concept at least will be retained with you. So starting from the last examination, you can start and you can keep accounts at the end, because accounts is typically the first paper. So you have 3 days plus 2, 5 days for your accountancy, the last 5 days before the examination. And these 10 days you could do 2 days per subject and revise them really well. Okay. Please remember, revision is important. You can't really cover a lot of syllabus in your 15 days. Rather focus on what you have already studied and do 100% justice to that. So if you are someone who is in that bracket, this should be your strategy. However, if you are in a bracket where you haven't done even 70% of most of your subjects, then if you're targeting 2 groups, I would say focus on one group, leave one group, because you cannot do everything in your last 15 days. But there is some hope. So just focus on one group. So you have 15 days, 3 subjects, 5 days per subject is what you have. So you can still study a lot in your 5 days and at least focus on one group, give it really well. So you could do that. Now if your situation is even worse, okay, you are attempting only one group but you are still not able to finish a lot of your syllabus, you haven't completed a lot of your syllabus, then I would say try and focus on 2 papers which you have done beyond 50%. So again, 15 days, you have good 1 week for each of your paper. So try and get an exemption in at least 2 subjects, so that the next attempt you have 3 papers of the other group and 1 paper itself to attempt. So try and strategize yourself in such a way that you can bring down your attempts, or you can bring down the number of papers you need to write in the next attempt. So if you're writing both the groups, then focus on one group. If you're writing one group, try and focus on 1 or 2 subjects, aim for an exemption, so that the next attempt becomes easier. Don't try to do too many things in very little time. Things are not going to happen. Rather focus on one subject, finish it properly, and then go ahead, because CA volume is really huge. So it is better you complete a lot of content uh, and do good justice to one particular subject. So that would be my suggestion for all the students writing their examination in this attempt. In case you require any kind of assistance, please do reach out to me. And guys, please do not lose any hopes. No matter what your level of preparation is, please utilize this last 15 days really well. Work hard. It's not like you won't be able to do anything in the 15 days. You can do a lot in your 15 days. So please use them effectively. Do not waste time, do not lose hope. Hope, hard work, and dedication is all you need to give in this last 15 days so that you can reach somewhere at least in your CA journey. So guys, please do subscribe to my channel, like the video, share it with someone who may need it, and I'll be back with more such content. Till then, take care. All the very best for your CA examination.